Hi, I'm Rosa Maria Acuna with Berkshire Hathaway, and welcome to this fun beach house in Ocean Beach, a neighborhood in San Diego, California. Welcome home. With an abundance of indoor-outdoor areas, inviting front porch, and a grassy yard, you will immediately feel right at home. This house was built in 2002, has 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, a great family room with a fireplace that leads out to the private backyard, and a 2-car garage. The open kitchen with an eat-in counter is a delight to cook and entertain. Just a few blocks to the ocean and Sunset Cliffs Natural Park, where you can enjoy an inspiring run, walk, or surf, and where sunsets are always breathtaking. Or catch the sunset here from your own deck. This beach house is truly a fun place to live and play. For additional information or to schedule your private tour, just call rosa.com. Thank you.